Hey guys, it's Amar. Sorry for the mess back here. I'm actually moving in May and hopefully I'll be able to. Beach vlog too. And hopefully people there are social distancing. I'm gonna take you on with me on this beautiful, fantastic day. Hopefully it's not raining. Alright, so we're heading out. We're gonna go there. This is my cute baby and my mom's over here with her dog. And then we have another one in the back, and they love the beach. So today when we go there, I'll show their reactions because it is so adorable. And today is so nice, don't you agree?
Yes, it's beautiful.
And she just fell. Oh, my poor baby. Are you okay? I love her. That was adorable. Alright, we just made it. We're walking towards the actual sand right now, walking with my dog, and it already seems packed, so I'm not really looking forward to that. Some people walked by us and they're like, honk if you question Corona. I was like, really? Come on. But right back here, she's walking with her dogs, and yeah, so I'm walking with mine. So right now, my mom and I, my dogs over here, are walking towards the end of the beach, towards kind of like the point, and we hear a whole bunch of sea lions. Hopefully being able to see them. We saw one earlier, popped its head up, and there was some guy swimming by it, which was really cute, and he said that when he swims over there, there's about like 16 of them, and the little small ones, like the babies, like to go near him and swim around him like dogs. I think that's really cute, and I think that's really exciting. So we were kind of able to see them, but they were really far out in that clip. I pointed towards them, and hopefully you could see their little heads popping out and stuff. Right now, we're done with the beach, and we're gonna go drive to Bartels and pick up some snacks. And then my mom's gonna go to work for the night. It was a good day. Good day.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say